Hi, this is the Forest Daughter, and I wanted to show you some beautiful ephemera you can make from full-size pages. I have some beautiful pages here from one of the Woodland Elf kits by DigitalScrapHelper on Etsy. They're a little flat because I have sealed them with matte polyurethane varnish. I find that sometimes when you're working with a lot of dark colors on paper, they rub off fairly easily, especially if they're folded or creased, and a couple layers of that makes it really easy to keep them from doing that. So what I did was I've looked at all the pages and I found some that are pretty when they're divided in half. So if you imagine the top half of this, you still see columns, and if you divide it again, you still have something interesting to look at. So you just kind of make sure that each piece still has visual interest. Here's a sample of one that I've already cut up. I like the fact there's a column and vines in every picture. And then I went ahead and finished the backs. This is the one I worked on today. I wanted to give you a chance to see the beadwork on this. I've used Toho beads and little tiny faceted check glass beads and Matubo beads on a pretty colored DMC floss. So I'm going to actually stand this one up in the pocket upright like this. And I think it'll be beautiful. So if you haven't given a thought to that, these make really nice big journaling cards that are nice and sturdy. So that's just an idea. Thanks for watching. I'm the Forest Daughter.